Did you know that sprouts are among the most healthiest foods available on earth? One naturopathic doctor went to the extent of saying that if you just take sprouts, then you do not need to take any food. These are living organisms just about to grow up into a plant. Sprouts by themselves could be a little more raw than rest of the foods that we take, and some people may not like to eat them raw just like that all the times. It will be a somewhat spicy but not totally spicy. Here is how we make this. Cut the lemon into 2 halves, we'll squeeze it later. Cut the tomatoes into small pieces. You could add the rest of the items as green chilies as well, and also drop in those cashews and then the pinch of sea salt. Now squeeze the lemon juice into the cup which is holding a hand blender, and you can use the hand blender until the entire puree becomes a very smooth puree. This takes just few seconds. I didn't count, maybe it's a minute, by which time it became a very smooth paste, as you will see. Spread the tomato dressing that we made onto the green sprouts, and you could garnish it with either cilantro. I did not have anything readily available, and I garnished it with some dried cranberries, which seemed to go very well with the taste. Testing time, exciting time as always. There's a little bit of stress every time how it has come out, and I don't even taste it when I am making it. I have a subtle feeling that the green chili that I have added could be a little more for the 3 tomatoes that we added. It could be a little hot, but I am okay with a little hot, and I am thinking the cashews that I have added would have reduced the hotness of the green chili. In any case, probably it wouldn't be as spicy as one should be concerned of. So let me see how does it taste, and I'll tell you. It's a bit of a surprise to me how it has come out. To be honest, I cannot feel the strong taste of any of the items that I have added, other than the sprouts, of course. I do not feel the tomato taste a lot. I do not feel the lemon juice that I have added. Definitely I do not feel any kind of spiciness through the green chilies that I have added. I don't even feel the salt that I have added. That does not mean it is bland. Definitely it is not bland, but then the taste of all of this has mixed so well. I was thinking in a hand blender probably it wouldn't mix so well, but I think the hand blender has done a terrific job. So I've got a completely unexpected taste that has come as a mixture of all of these. And the cranberries of course can be felt, and then the sprouts can be felt because it is whole after all. But otherwise, yes, it has come as a surprise, but the taste is good. I'm going to add a little more of the tomato sauce on this, and some more of the sprouts, and enjoy the lunch. While I hope you have liked the video, and if you did, you would click on the like button and help me get the videos passed on to many others, because the number of likes will determine how many times YouTube will show to others. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't click on that stop button now, because there's going to be some more detail after I talk which could be beneficial to you. Watch on. And thank you for having this time allocated for me, and have a nice evening or day, whatever is left for you. Bye bye. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on the notification bell.